Hey guys, can you guess where I am? That's right, I'm in Mexico City. I've been here for about 7 days now, and I gotta say, I like it a lot. I've got a joint channel with my partner where we've posted our very first Mexico video, so go check that out if you want to see our journey from Australia to Mexico, and it also has some highlights of Mexico City. So today I thought I'd take you guys with me on a bit of a walking tour of Mexico City, where we'll visit some historical buildings and just get a sense of some of the history of Mexico City. So let's go. On my way to the walking tour, I noticed something wasn't right because the traffic to get to the city center was crazy. When I finally got there, I saw what it was that made me late for the tour. It was a massive celebration for the President of Mexico, and everyone was out celebrating his 3rd year in office. I've never actually been in a sea of people this big, and needless to say, it was something that I won't forget anytime soon. So much going on, so many things to take in, but I was there for one reason, and I had to find my walking tour group, which was a huge challenge given the crowds. I met the tour group at the second stop, which was here, Plaza de Santo, Domingo. It's a place of scribes where specialists in reading and writing have gathered for centuries to offer their services. After that, we checked out Cinema Rio. It opened on 29th of July 1948 as a regular movie theatre. Since at least the 1990s, it is operated as a porn cinema, but admission is only for heterosexual couples, which I found quite interesting. Teatro Fru Fru has been a landmark, even a notorious one, since it was founded way back in 1899. This theatre was actually part of the James Bond Spectre movie. If you haven't seen it, you should. James Bond can be seen running across the rooftops of these buildings, then shooting into the windows of the theatre opposite, where the front of the theatre then collapses onto him as he tries to get away. Pretty cool if you ask me. So, quick segue. Check out the presidential celebrations in action. Okay, back to the walking tour. This is Palacio Postal, which was the first ever post office in Mexico. At the time, it was a state-of-the-art building, the most modern of its time. Really cool to see. And finally, Palacio de Bellas Artes, which is a great place to watch some opera, and is definitely one of the most beautiful and iconic buildings in Mexico City. If you're enjoying my Mexico videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the support and look forward to sharing more of Mexico with you guys. Catch you in the next one.